Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so I'm back with a new video for you people that is about the civil engineering interview questions. Our today's lecture will be almost all of it will be about building construction. So if you are going for an interview that is related to building construction site, or you are going to be an engineer at a building construction site, then you do need to keep some values and some questions in your mind that everyone is going to ask you people. Okay, so our today's lecture is about the building construction. Let's start it. That what are the questions that I have brought for you people. I will be explaining it, and if you do have any question or you think that there is any error in the answer that I am giving, please don't forget to comment that so that I'm explain it for you. Okay, so start it. The question number one will be about the parapet wall. Okay, the parapet wall. What is parapet wall? You all may know that it is the topmost wall that is actually used for the safety or for the privacy of any building. Like if you would have seen in any drawing that we have that, suppose this is a basement, this is the ground floor, this is the first floor, and here they use a small wall of 4 feet or around about that. This is actually the parapet wall. Okay, so what is the minimum height of parapet wall that you do need to provide for any house? That is the minimum. Question number one is minimum height of parapet wall. This is 1 meter, okay, which is equal to 3.28 feet. Okay, so the minimum height of parapet wall is 1 meter, which is equal to 3.285. So this is the question number first for today. Well, you may have used maybe 3 feet or less than that, but that is actually not as per the design considerations. The minimum value must be 1 meter or 3.28 feet to provide you enough privacy and enough safety. So the minimum height will be 1 meter, which is equal to 3.28 feet. The second important question will be about the DPC, dam proof course. You may know about it. I will be explaining it somewhere else about the material that we will be using for DPC. Here I am going to talk about the minimum thickness of DPC. This question number 2 is minimum thickness of DPC is equal to 2.5 centimeter, which is equal to 1 inch. I'm using two types of units, the SI system, also the FPS system. So if you are studying in whatever system, you must know about these values. The 2.5 centimeter are equal to 1 inch. So the minimum thickness of DPC shall be 2.5 centimeter or 1 inches. This is the question number second. Question number third is the combination of two different questions, and this is about the material, that is about the cement bags. The question number third is about cement bags. Okay, so the normal cement bags that we do use in our construction projects, specifically in Pakistan and India, it's always having a volume of 1.25 feet cube. So if you are converting any feet cube of cement into cement bags, like if I do have 500 cubic feet of cement to be used in any material, then how will I convert it into cement bags? So the minimum volume is 1.25 feet cube, which is equal to 0.0347 meter cube. So if you are converting 500 meter cube of cement, like I will be using 500 cubic feet of cement, then 500 divided by 1.25. So this is equal to 400 bags of cement. So if someone told you that I am going to use 500 cubic feet of cement, then please tell me that what is the number of bags. Then you will have to convert it this way, that 500 divided by 1.25, which will give you 400 bags. Okay, so this was about the volume. The weight that we do normally use is weight of one bag of cement is equal to 50 kg. Okay, normally this can be more than that, but the normal weight of cement bag that you do use is 50 kg. Okay, so this was about the cement that we do use in our construction process. The question number 3 is, what is the number of cement bags that is used in 1 meter cube of concrete? Okay, question number 4 is number of bags in 1 meter cube of 1:2:4 concrete. 1:2:4 is the normal concrete. This is equal to 28.8 bags, which is equal to 29 bags. So next question for today is about slab. Okay, so question number 5, this is a random question, that is the minimum thickness of slab. If you are using slab as a main structural load supporting member, then what will be the minimum thickness of that slab? It will be 125 millimeter, which is equal to 5 inches. Okay, so this is the minimum thickness of any slab that you can use for main structural load supporting members. Next question is, question number 6 is, what is lentil? What is lentil? Okay, so a lentil is actually that supporting beam which is used above any door or window. Okay, door or window to support the load over that window. Like if I am using a door here and load of brickwork is coming from this side, then I cannot apply this load directly over the door frame. Okay, so instead of applying this load directly over this door or window frame, I will have to use a beam here. Okay, this is what we call the lentil beam or lentil. Okay, and this is used to support the load above this window so that it may not affect the frame of this window or door. Okay, this is what we call the lentil. Okay, the minimum thickness of lentil shall be 15 centimeter. Okay, minimum thickness 15 centimeter, which is equal to 6 inches. Okay, so actually this is a beam, so you will have to use a minimum thickness of 6 inches for lentil so that it may not allow loads from top to affect the frame of this window or this door. So this was the question number 6. Now to the question number 7, what will be the height of this lentil? Okay, what will be the height of this lintel? So in case of brickwork, is a main wall, height of lintel must be 2.4 meter. Okay, so this is the minimum height of the lintel. So this was about today's interview questions about building construction. I am going to share other questions as well. You do need to keep these values in your mind. Okay, you do need to keep these things in your mind, at least its range 3.28 feet 1 inches and all these things. So you need to keep these values in your mind. I hope you would have learned something, and please don't forget to share your experience regarding these questions as well. Thank you very much. See you in any other video. Allah Hafiz.